How to buy LIGHTCHAIN AI token. So this token came under the symbol of LCAI. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any crypto that you find on my channel, please do your own research. So before going out buy this token, make sure to check the account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is in pre-sale page. So if you click on the official website on the Rex account, you will be able to redirect to this pre-sale page. So what you need to do first, connect your wallet, select one of these. For example, I will use the Bitcoin wallet. So after that, I will connect my wallet. So after you connect your wallet, what you need to do, go to this area. So what you need to do, select one of these tokens, for example, USDT, and make sure you have an USDT on your wallet, of course. So type how much you want to buy. Here you will be able to see how much you receive. And after that, because I don't have any balance, I can't be able to see here buy. So after you click on buy now, the pop-up will be appear here from your wallet. For this, the pop-up will be appear from the Bitget wallet. So after that, click on confirm here. So to complete the transaction. So after that, complete the process of buying, and after that you will be able to have this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy a LIGHTCHAIN AI or LIGHTCHAIN AI token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.